Hi everyone, today I want to show you we're doing a Corsa 1.3 Cdti DPF delete. So we're doing the Bosch EDC 17 C59 TCE proms 1767. So you can see is the writing on there. We're doing the modify file on there. So if you have any problem I like remapping, or do you want to delete the DPF or switch off the EMO and EGR valve, we can solve your issue. If you come to us, we can contact you can contact with us with my phone number is 07402536 My name is Mr. Terry. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow. You bring the car, we can remove it and repair it and switch it off the DPF, and we can solve your issue. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango 171 Hanworth Road. You can contact us anytime. We repair all type of ECU and electronics, trash data resets, airbag, instrument cluster. Thanks watching our video. Subscribe us please. Thank you. Take care. Bye.